Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 35 of the 100 Days Challenge for building myself and yourself as a brand. Okay, it got a little change, but why not? Changes are good. So yes, today's day, as you can know by my tone, whenever the day is good, I feel like I speak very excitedly. Anyways, so today was really a good day. My morning started so amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna explain that you in detail. So before that, I just want to know whether you like such kind of videos that I'm making, like talking, like sharing each and every detail, or just getting into the point and just saying what is like required, or what is like particularly related to the video. Because I think I can explain a lot, I can talk a lot. So if you want like that, such type of videos where I go in like detail and explain everything, or just a shortcut one, so let me know in the comment section what is your choice in this. And with that, we will start today's video. So first, today I woke up at 4 o'clock and our water tank, it had got thoda kharab, like it was not working, so there was no water, like a drinking water was there, but drinking water was not there. So then we like I had this bottle where I actually fill my bottles and keep. So the water before had not finished, so I used that water to drink 2 glasses of warm water. So it's kind of like a situation right now in my home. But okay, I adjusted with that. And before that, I didn't say, after waking up, I did my stretches and did my bed, then went and drank water. And after that, I went and prayed, and I realized that the street lights were not on, like it was all dark on the road. And I was like wondering why was the current not there or something. But current, like I had on my lights and they were like on, right? That means current was there. But I was like wondering why is it so dark, and was thinking whether should I go on the terrace or not, because if the street lights are not on, then the darkness will be also on my terrace. But when I opened my windows and checked out, the moon was there, and it was like 3-4 days after the full moon night. So the moon was like almost full, that's why its light was enough for me to go on the terrace. So I then changed into my workout clothes, and then I went to terrace for the workout. And there I realized that it was lightning. Can you imagine? It was continuously lightning. There was no signs of like rain or anything, but we were like born. I had heard on the news that it was gonna rain heavily here, but not exactly in the place where I live. Okay, so it was in the state, and we were very sure that it was not gonna rain over here, but it's like way more hot, like from 2 days. It's just unbearable sweating, like literally it's so hot, you can't even stay for a minute without a fan, it's so hot. So after that, I realized as it was lightning, I kind of got worried, because I was having this phone also, there was a tower near me, like I don't want any mishap to happen. So I was thinking, but then I thought ki, like it's just lightning, right? Not thundering, so nothing will happen. So I continued with my workout. So I did my arm workouts, and then I did my hip dips workout, and then I did my full body workout. So in this full body workout, I did not do the one which I was doing everyday one. I did another one which is said the intense workout, but the experience of that workout was not that great. The the workouts were fine, but it had a very long rest time, so I was not enoughly sweating, so I didn't feel like I was even like exercising, that feeling was not coming, a boost of energy wasn't there. So I got bored while doing that workout, and then I started to like skip the rest time, because the rest time was like for 40-50 seconds, which was actually more. I think 30-20 seconds is like fine if you are already a intense workout one. So it was like too much for me, so I just skipped the rest time and did the workout. And when I was doing the workout, suddenly what happened was, it was like continuously lightning, okay, but then at one point I heard this lightning came, and I heard a loud thundering voice, and there was this yellow orange light. So I did not see it directly through my vision. It is kind of like from side eye you can see, right, like from your peripheral eye. So by like that I saw it, and I got so worried, like, because that time only this lightning had also fallen. So I thought maybe somewhere the lightning struck and something happened, and I got so scared, and the voice was also like third, so it was loud enough. So I just packed up my things and ran to my room. I like literally got so scared. I didn't want to stay there even for a second after that. And then picked up all the things, and I went down into my room and continued with my workout over there. Kind of, it was still thunder, like lightning, but at least I was safe in my room. I don't know. Then I continued over there. Anyways, only the last 2 minutes was remaining to my workout. So I did that. After that, I did my meditation. So today's meditation was like, I just kept on breathing, and I put on affirmations. So I put on this elegant lady affirmations, and I did the breathing or meditation like that. And after that I did separately breathing exercises and eye exercises, and yeah, that was done for my workout session. After that I saw like already the sun had come out, and it was windy. Okay, so it was very windy, and I could see some clouds which were like dark rainy clouds, right? So I saw those, and I thought, okay, it might rain now. So I was in this hope, and I actually love rain. I love seeing rain, so I was very excited for that. Then what I did was, it was my journaling time, so I just opened all the windows and the balcony door, and then set for journaling. So as I was journaling, this wind was running, so like from the window, I was sitting near the window, right? So the breeze was going on my face, my hair. It was like so cool. I was feeling so nice. I like was craving for this from so long. And after that I saw that there were few drops of rain. Okay, and then I got excited. Okay, finally it's gonna rain. But it didn't rain. I don't know. Like, and then I asked, like, inquired with my father, and he was like, the clouds had come from the beach side. So my house is near a beach. Okay, it's not like that near. I can hear the waves sound. I think it's a kilometer away. I cannot see the beaches because there are all houses and all that. So I just can hear the sound waves early in the morning. Waves. Sound of the waves basically. And that happened. So I could, like, this rain did not come, but it was very windy, and the sun was like, the sunset kind of sun. It was in the sunrise only, but it was so orangey outside. So, and this side it was full cloudy, and I just loved the climate at that time. It was very, very pretty, and I enjoyed the breeze. And I journaled for a very long time actually. I journaled all my thoughts. I got so happy, so I put one old Bollywood song. If you know, then let me know. It's Chalte Chalte Mere Ye Geet Yaad Rakhna. So there are like few old songs which remind me of monsoons. Okay, so I love to play those songs during that time when it rains and all. So yeah, I did that and I enjoyed that time. I did not worry about that I was gonna get late for something or anything. I just forgot everything that and just lived the moment. It was so dreamy for me. I felt so good and my mood just boosted so much. And also I did my scripting today of such a good memory. Not memory, it's manifestation scripting. So I did that and I really felt good about it. I'm really happy, and now speaking this also, it's making me so much happy. So that happened. Okay, after all that, then I realized it was not gonna rain. So then wind also calmed down and sun also started to came out, so it was getting sunnier. After that I went and then I went for a bath. I took bath, then did my skincare, did my hair and prayed. Okay, I prayed and then I went to work. So my breakfast was not ready, so I set for doing work, and after that at 10:30 something I went to have my breakfast. So after having the breakfast I came back and I started to do the work. So today I had to even shoot for a video, a dance reel. So I did that and then it was afternoon. After that I went and I thought of cooking lunch for me, but I had my breakfast kind of late, like 10:30 it was, right? So I was full and that full was kind of like bloating wala full. So I was bloated. And whenever I have that breakfast I usually feel bloated, so I didn't feel ki I want something heavy lunch or anything, so I didn't cook anything. My mom had just cooked the rice that was there, but I didn't want to cook anything extra because I could not finish it, right? So I didn't do that. After that I had whatever like was there. I had like rice, there was this chana ka sambar, no, it's not called sambar, it's chana ka something it's called. Okay, that it was. And then I took some cucumbers and it's mango season, so I got one mango cut down and I had it's mango pickle, but not the pickle that we get in the store. So it's a homemade pickle out of mangoes, like they will be in the childhood mangoes, small mangoes, that one. I don't know what it is called. We called it tora in our language. I don't know what it's called in like English, but okay. So after that was like lunch and it was already full for me. I could not like, but I finished it, but I couldn't finish. I finished it anyhow, but it was too much for me. Okay, after having my lunch, I came and I scrolled for some time because I felt like I didn't had any work, but actually I have work. But still, I was like, don't know why. But I was just stressed. Okay, so anyways, I did that. I did my editing, the video that I had like shooted today, and after doing that I started with my choreography. Then I practiced for that, and then it was already evening, and evening also was really pretty today. I don't know, I feel so dreamy when it is sunrise and sunset, because it's not like blue, it's like orange. So it makes my room also so orange that it kind of put me in very dreamy mood. I don't know if that makes sense, but it is. Okay, I feel like I'm in a dream kind of thing. So I like it. Anyways, I like that. And okay, after doing that, I freshened up, then I had my dinner. I'm trying to have my dinner as early as possible. I think I say this in every video, but usually it doesn't happen. It becomes 7 o'clock until I have, because I will be full. So what can I do in that? But okay, fine. After doing that, that is my dinner. I came and then I prayed, and then I did my this video editing, recording and all that, and scheduled it. And after that, I did my skincare. Then today was my brother's birthday as well. So after that, we like brought cake for him, and we did some celebrations. We wished him birthday, and then after that, I went to sleep. Okay, so that was how my day 35 ended, and I'm really happy today, very happy. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.